you. I love that. Forward leads to the town square. We're almost at the town square. Left leads to the town square. We're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Which way do you want to go? Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Right leads to Cannonball. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. Oh no! It looks like something's blocked. Excellent! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Great! Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right. That's perfect. Oops, let's have another go. Swipe left or right to keep the train. That's perfect. That's perfect. That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Time to pick a